How to turn off video call on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off video call on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Now tap Messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. Once you access your chat section, select particular chat where you want to turn off video call on Instagram. Tap and hold it, and then tap mute calls. Tap until I change it, or you can select any time duration. Once done, this person will not be able to call you on Instagram. Also, if you want to completely turn off video calls on Instagram for every chats, head towards the settings on your device, scroll towards apps, open it. Now select app management and search for the Instagram application using the search bar. Open the app info section, select permissions option. Scroll down and you have to select the option for a phone. Tap don't allow. Come back and now tap on microphone. Tap don't allow. Come back. You need to select call logs and tap don't allow. Similarly, select the camera as well and tap don't allow. Tap contacts as well and tap don't allow. Once done, when you head towards the Instagram application and try making any kind of calls, it will ask for permissions, or if any person wants to make you call, then it will also ask permission at that time, and in this way you can easily turn off video calls on Instagram. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.